After receiving your provisional license, finding a driving instructor is usually the next step in your learning to drive journey. With so many instructors out there, how can you find one that works for you? We are here to help. In this video, we'll cover what to know before you start looking, what to look out for in a driving instructor, what to avoid, how to find driving instructors, what to do once you find an instructor, and questions to ask your instructor. So, what do you need to know before you start looking for a driving instructor? Before you even start looking for a driving instructor, there are some things that you should think about to narrow down your search. These are things like what type of car you want to drive in, is it going to be automatic or manual, how quickly you want to pass, what your budget is, how often you want lessons, what your availability is for lessons, and would you prefer a male or a female instructor? Answering these questions will help you narrow down your search for a driving instructor and give you a clear idea about what you are looking for. For example, if you are looking for a low budget lesson in an automatic car with a female teacher, that will reduce the number of options you have available and make your search easier. But what are some things you should look out for when you are trying to find a driving instructor? When you are looking for an instructor, there are some things that you need to look out for to make sure that they are qualified and the right fit for your needs. Firstly, DVSA approval. Ensure that your instructor is approved by the DVSA, which guarantees they meet the standards for teaching learners. This may be as an ADI, which is an approved driving instructor, or a PDI, which is a potential driving instructor. This means that they are still learning how to be an instructor. Next is good communication skills. A good instructor should be able to explain driving techniques clearly and give constructive feedback. Effective communication helps you understand and learn better. You should feel comfortable asking questions and confident that mistakes are treated as learning opportunities. Next is patience and encouragement. Choose an instructor who is patient and provides positive reinforcement. Learning to drive can be challenging, and a supportive instructor can help to boost your confidence. Professionalism and reliability. Professional behaviour, punctuality and reliability are crucial traits for a driving instructor. An instructor who respects your time and maintains a professional attitude creates a good learning environment for you. Flexibility and availability. A reliable instructor should offer lesson times that fit around your life commitments. Teaching style and personality. When you choose a driving instructor, their teaching style should fit your needs and work for you. Calm and patient instructors may work well for nervous learners, while others may prefer a more forward and direct approach. And finally, car comfort and safety. Make sure their car is clean, modern and well maintained, with dual controls for safety. Some things you should avoid when you are looking for an instructor. An instructor with no DVSA approval. Always check if your instructor is approved by the DVSA. An unapproved instructor should not be teaching driving lessons. You can go on the DVSA website to find out if they are approved. Negative reviews. Avoid instructors who consistently have negative reviews or feedback from other learners. This can highlight potential issues that you may also encounter. Unprofessional behaviour. Avoid instructors who are consistently late, cancel lessons frequently, or are unprofessional in their conduct. Lack of patience. Instructors who are easily frustrated or impatient can make the learning process stressful. A calm, patient instructor is essential for a positive learning experience. And poor communication skills. If an instructor struggles to explain concepts clearly or doesn't listen to your concerns, this can hinder your progress. If you start working with an instructor and realize they are not a good fit, end lessons with them and find someone who can help your progression. You don't want to waste time and money when you are not comfortable. So what are some ways that you can find driving instructors? Recommendations from friends and family members. This is a great starting point for finding an instructor by asking friends and family who have recently learned how to drive. If they have had a positive experience with someone who has helped them pass and has a good teaching style, this would be a good place to start. Web searches of your local area. Google Maps can give you a list of driving schools near you, which makes it easier to find all possible instructors and help narrow down your search. You could also try asking local Facebook groups or forums to find local suggestions. You may find an instructor that you have not found yet, or find that an instructor you are already considering is worth choosing. And driving instructor reviews. It's always a good idea to check online reviews. You can find these on sites like Trustpilot, Facebook reviews, or Google. Look for instructors with strong positive reviews and recommendations. Feedback from other learners can provide insight into the instructor's teaching style and effectiveness. But what do you do once you find an instructor? When you find 3 or more local driving instructors that tick all of the boxes, you can then go on to reaching out to them. Firstly, check their website, as this may let you know their current availability and important information you should know, such as pricing. Then it is worth calling and having a chat with the instructor. This can be a good way to figure out if you want to work with them and get a feel for their personality. You can find out if they are serious or chatty, conversational or quiet, calm or energetic. This will help you gauge if you will get along with them, as you will be spending a lot of time with them. You do not need to book in with them there and then on the phone, but what questions should you ask your driving instructor before you book them? When you are contacting a driving instructor, here are some questions that you can ask. Do you currently have availability? This helps you determine if the instructor can fit you into their schedule. If they are fully booked, you might need to find someone else. When would I be able to start lessons with you? Establishing a start date allows you to plan for your learning schedule. How much will it cost for 10 driving lessons? Or any amount of driving lessons. Knowing the cost for a set number of lessons helps you understand your financial commitments and compare prices. Are you currently running any deals or promotions on block bookings? This helps you find potential discounts or offers that can save you money. This can be more cost effective than individual lessons. This should give you all the information you need before booking in with the instructor and give you reassurance that you are making a good choice. There are so many driving instructors to choose from, and we are sure you can find one that is a perfect fit for you. By following these steps, you can make the most informed decision and narrow down your search quickly and easily. If you are a learner driver looking for more tips, consider subscribing to see future videos. Thank you for watching and safe driving.